So now the next topic that we are going to do is Nehru Committee. Now obviously Simon Commission, the Indians opposed it a lot. Indians said no, why are Indians not present in the commission? So Simon Commission was opposed, and because of this the Hindi Wazir who was there, Birkenhead, he presented the draft of the constitution. Constitution it's a book which contains all the rules and regulations on how to rule a particular country. Constitution is a book that talks about the changes that have happened in the society and suggests the changes that are required in the society. So the Hindi Wazir said ki, let Indians have a chance to make their own constitution, to make their own rules and regulations, to tell us what changes they want in the society. So it was suggested and that all the Indian leaders of all the parties that you can formulate your own constitution. અમે એ constitution જોશું, અમને જો ગમશે, અમને એમ જો લાગશે કે proper છે, તો we will use it, we will allow you to have that constitution. So there was a National General Assembly formed, okay, which contained all the leaders of all the parties, and from that selected people were entered into another group that was called as Nehru Committee, okay, and that Nehru Committee gave a report which was a Nehru report. In this Nehru report they demanded for these things in their constitution. First is domino status. Domino status એટલે let Indians rule over India, and we will also under the guidance of Britishers. That is, India would not be free of Britishers, India would be still under the rule of Britishers, but let Indians rule over, let Indians also play some important part in the government. That is domino status. Independent judiciary. Independent judiciary એટલે જે સુપ્રીમ કોર્ટ છે, હાઈ કોર્ટ છે, આ બધા કોર્ટ્સને ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્ટ રાખો, સેપરેટ રાખો. ફંડામેન્ટલ રાઇટ્સ. ફંડામેન્ટલ રાઇટ્સ એટલે બેસિક હ્યુમન રાઇટ્સ. રાઇટ ટુ સ્પીક, રાઇટ ટુ હેવ their own religion, right to education. Those were fundamental rights. And adult suffrage. Adult suffrage એટલે those people who are 18 years and above, allow them to vote for the government which they want. The Britishers obviously rejected the report which was given by the Nehru Committee. I will again revise Nehru Committee with you all. Nehru Committee, obviously after the Simon Commission there was lot of opposition, right? So Hindi Wazir Birkenhead, he drafted his own constitution, okay, and in that he said that allow Indian leaders and parties to formulate or to have their own constitution. Constitution is a book that contains all the rules, all the regulations, all the changes that have happened in the society, okay, and all the changes that are needed in the society. So the National General Assembly was formed in order to make this constitution, and in that National General Assembly there was a Nehru Committee. This Nehru Committee presented a Nehru report, okay, and in that Nehru report the Indians demanded for domino status, that is let Indians rule over India under the guidance, under the influence of the Britishers. Independent judiciary, that is all the High Court, Supreme Court, all the courts should be separated. Fundamental rights, that are basic human rights, should be given to Indians. Adult suffrage, that is anybody who is 18 years or above should have the right to vote. Obviously these demands were not accepted and they were rejected by the Britishers.